Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2022 Bowman Baseball Jumbo, 4-box break number 36. Pick your team. We have Anton H. Twins, Dan M. Yankees, David A. Tigers, Eric L. Angels, Furhan A. Giants, Gabriel C. White Sox Rays, excuse me, Glenn W. Braves Orioles Red Sox, Royals Mets Mariners Blue Jays Nationals, Jason R. Brewers, Kenneth G. Padres, Michael C. Reds Rockies, Rick E. Guardians Cubs, Marlins, Ryan B. Phillies, Savage A. Pirates, Suzanne P. D-backs, Timothy H. Cardinals, Tom B. Dodgers, Trevor L. A's, and Zach D. Rangers and Astros. All right, here we go. Good luck. Anybody know how to wake up a sleep? Yeah. If you slap yourself on the bottom of the foot, or wait, no, that's to wake up a sleeping person. Slap them on the bottom of the foot. All right, you just have to get up and move around. Shake it. Shake it, get a little blood flowing to the foot. All right, here we go. Let's see some big hits. Blaze Jordan. Ugh. There we go. Jose Salas. Lava to $3.99. Brennan Davis. Aqua Papered $3.99. Yeah, that's one way, Patrick. Cal Raleigh. That's Astros first Bowman auto. Tyler Whitaker. Let me check here. Sports go live at 4 or 5 today, Lane? 5 o'clock. All right. It's Blaze Jordan. Olson Montgomery. It's Max Meyer. Reed Detmers. Bobby Witt Jr. This is Mariners. First Bowman, refractor auto to $4.99, Juan Cuercuto. Here goes Seattle. All right. Christian Hernandez. Carlos Aguilar. Speckled to $2.99. There's O'Neal Cruz, Rookie of the Year favorites. Brendan Davis. So 2 breaks left to fill for the day. Just 2. We have 2021 Bowman Baseball Sapphire Edition, 5-box number 3 random teams. That's $59.99 a spot. We have 8 to go in that. That breaks next. Then we have 6 teams left on Clearly Authentic. Case number 39, pick your teams. It's Christian Santana and Yankees. First Bowman auto, Oswaldo Cabrera. There you go, Yanks. Stad. We have gold paper. Colton Cowser to 50, Orioles. Nice gold paper. It's Jason Dominguez. Khalil Watson. All right, that's it for box one. Here we go, box two. Seven to go now on Bowman Sapphire. 7 spots left. 2021 Bowman Baseball Sapphire Edition. 5-box break number 3 random teams. $59.99 a spot on those. Torkelson. Joe Ryan and Padres. That's first Bowman auto. Uribiel Angeles. San Diego. Jordan Walker. This is Brayan Bello. Magenta refractor to 199. Jordan Lawler. Shalem Polanco. Vidal Brujan. Jackson Jobe. Green paper. Brennan Davis to 99. Six to go now on Bowman Sapphire. This is Padres. First Bowman refractor auto to 499. Brandon Valenzuela. There you go, Padres. O'Neill Cruz rookie insert. We have 12 spots left to fill for the whole day. On Clearly Authentic, full case number 39, pick your team. We have Red Sox, Phillies, Pirates, Padres, Cardinals, and Rays. Win Priester. That's Emmanuel Rodriguez. Blue refractor to 150. Yeah, let's see one. Benny Montgomery. We're about due for a gold. Gabriel Arias. And Marlins first Bowman auto, Brady Allen. Spencer Torkelson. Cal Raleigh. Extra piece of cardboard there. Random to all. Ooh, that's refractor cardboard. Look at that. Just kidding. I'm not going to random that. Diego Cartaya. Atomic refractor to 150 insert. Diego Cartaya. Bo Naylor. All right, that's it for box 2. Box 3. Still 6 to go on Clearly Authentic Pick Your Teams. We have 21 Bowman Sapphire, 5-box number 3 random teams up next. We have 5 to go. $59.99 a spot on those. Figueroa. Green paper, Jose Altuve to 99. And purple refractor auto, Yankees to 250, Trey Sweeney. There you go, Yanks. Nice purple Sweeney. Sorry, Dan. Purple's the best I can do. For that pack, anyway. We'll see. Yeah, nice hit, man. All right. There we go. Aqua Mini Diamonds. Marcelo Meyer to 125 Red Sox. Tristan Casas, Magenta Paper. What's up, AJ? How's it going? Over Figueroa. Young. All right, there's O'Neal Cruz, rookie insert. Alvi Marte. Come on. This is Yankees. First Bowman auto, Tyler Hardman. Yankees going back to back. We have 4 to go now, and Bowman Sapphire. Appreciate it, Dan. Oh, did you? Yeah, sorry, Woo. We should have got you something too. This is to 150. Nick York, Atomic Refractor Invicta. Red Sox. Dominguez. Rodolfo Castro. CJ Abrams. There's Ellie De La Cruz. Brady House. Lodolo. This is Blue Refractor Auto Royals to 150, Luca Tresh. Nice color match Royals. Yeah, I hope I pull you something good in that. We only have a few spots left for the day. Down to 4 in Bowman Sapphire. And then in Clearly Authentic, we just have the Phillies, Pirates, Padres, Cardinals, and Rays. So 5 teams to go in that. It's Nico Cavadas, Purple Lava to 250. Jackson Rutledge. That's pack of box 3. Walker. All right. Here we go. Last box. Finish strong with a big hit. Benny Montgomery. Purple paper. Christian Hernandez, Cubs, 250. There we go. A little sticky here. There's Matt Manning and Pirates. Rookie, yellow refractor auto to 75, Rodolfo Castro. Nice secondary color match there for the Pirates. That is an awesome looking card. Waters. So Phillies, Pirates, Padres, Cardinals, and Rays left in Clearly Authentic number 39. And 4 to go in Bowman Sapphire. 5-box random teams. $59.99 a spot. Zach Veen. Gunnar Henderson. Bobby Witt Jr. Refractor. Moreno. Is Mariners. That's first Bowman auto, Adam Macko. Another hit for Seattle. It's Jordan Lawler. All right, 5 packs to go. 21 Bowman Sapphire is up next. We have 4 spots left in that. Kevin Sheets, Mick Gable, Luis Rodriguez. There's Adley. All right, this is Purple Refractor Auto to 250. Rockies, Warming Burnable. There you go, Colorado. Very nice color match. First Bowman Auto. Bag that one for you. All right. Yeah, I'm hoping, really hoping that I subscribe to the MLB TV, but I also got the minor league package or the minor league add-on. I'm hoping that I can watch those games on demand during the off season, catch up on some of these guys. There's Wander, like Burnable. I've never seen him play. It's for Kelvin DeCastro, Lava. Benny Montgomery, Purple Paper, another color match for the Rockies. That's the 199. And last pack. Dominguez, this is Edward Cabrera. Paper on the back. All right, let's do a hit recap. Let's fill up Bowman Sapphire. We have 4 to go. That was Mariners, Adam Macko. Yankees, Tyler Hardman. Marlins, Brady Allen. Padres, Uribiel Angeles. Yankees, Oswaldo Cabrera. Astros, Tyler Whitaker. Royals, Blue, Luca Tresh. Yankees, Purple, Trey Sweeney. Padres, Refractor, Brandon Valenzuela. Mariners, Refractor, Juan Cuerasuto. This is Pirates, Rookie. Yellow Refractor Auto to 75, Rodolfo Castro. And Rockies, first Bowman, Purple Refractor Auto to 250, Warming Burnable. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We have Bowman Sapphire coming up.